My tennis was not doing well. I couldn't raise my arm more than this for 6 years, and that's a long time. I've been playing tennis for 26 years. I noticed about 6 years ago it was starting to freeze up, and it was very stiff, and it began to hurt, and it just wasn't working out. It was getting more sore, and I started doing therapy, and then I went from therapy to doing injections in my shoulder. Towards the end of that 6-year period, they weren't working at all, and I was spending a lot of money on something for me that didn't work. And I knew I needed to do something, and I knew shoulder replacement was what I needed because the cartilage in between the ball and socket of my joint was gone. So I had heard about Dr. Kruse, and I decided to go in and meet him, and he made me feel so at ease. And he said, "Oh, you'll be on the tennis court. As long as you follow the regimen, you'll be on the tennis court in 6 months." And I actually started at 4 months. A lot of doctors want you to wear a sling for like 3 weeks, 6 weeks after surgery. He told me after the nerve block wore off, get out of the sling. Don't stay in the sling. You need to keep your shoulder moving. You're assigned to an actual surgical team. We had a gal that I could call anytime I had a question. His nurses were amazing. It was such a pleasant experience. It was so easy, mostly because there was no pain, and I felt very secure and very safe with Dr. Kruse and his staff because they really helped me. Don't wait like I did. I waited 6 years before I went in to have this. And when that last injection didn't work and I couldn't sleep at night, and I was in so much pain when I was playing tennis, I said, this is it.
Becci's on our team. We love having her and so excited that she's healed.
And at our age, you want to stay active.
Yes.
It's good for you physically, it's good mentally, it's good for every aspect of our life.
We are all thrilled that she is back playing tennis and pickleball and everything, and moving her arm up and down and sideways and everything else.
Whatever sport you play, and this is hurting and keeping you from playing that sport, you really need to go have this done. And Dr. Kruse needs to be the one to do it.